Matic has been on an absolutely crazy run recently with the big Disney news coming out and also a big teaser that some massive announcement is going to happen in just 2 days' time. But that leads me to ask the question, is this incredible rally that we've seen for Polygon over the last few days going to stall? Is this a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event? Well, in today's video, I'll look at the charts are saying on this topic. My name's Lark. I make videos talking about cryptocurrency investing. If you do like that talk, make sure to subscribe to the channel and whack on that thumbs up button. Let me know you like these kind of videos. Let's go ahead and get into it. So this is it. This is the tweet that got everybody super excited. Well, actually, the 3 days ago one that came out yesterday. We got 2 days to go. The Polygon team has been consistently delivering the living heck out of technology over the last, well, couple of years. It's been absolutely impressive what the Polygon team has accomplished. And now they're teasing that 2 days to go until Ethereum will scale like never before. In 2 days, they're going to show us what incredible piece of blockchain infrastructure they have accomplished. Now, normally, these kind of big updates result in a buy the rumor, sell the news kind of event. So in the lead up to the announcement, people get very excited. The price will pump like crazy. Once the announcement's made, it's great technology. Everybody's very excited about that. Good things are happening, but unless it is game-changing beyond belief news, what usually happens is we see a price correction, the sell the news. 9 times out of 10, this is what happens for these kind of big news events. Now let's take a look at the charts here. So that's what's driving the market right now for Matic. So as we can see here, we've had an incredible breakout for Matic, just absolutely nuts. We had this kind of Adam and Eve pattern playing out here, a big breakout beyond the 50-day exponential moving average. I shared that on Twitter recently, talking about this breakout happening beyond the 50-day exponential moving average. Although in my post here, I was not bullish enough, apparently, on the price targets for that, saying that, well, 74 cents is going to be our next big area to be watching for here. And, well, look at this. Matic went absolutely nuts, all the way up to 98 cents yesterday. Now, I am unloading a bit of my Matic at these levels. I want to get back into a bit more cash position to ride out this bear cycle with. And so I did sell a little bit of my Matic just on market sales in here, but also I did have a sell order put in right at 99 cents, which did not hit because we only got to 98.5 cents over on BINANCE. So we just missed that sale order, but we still do have a few days to go for that potential hype building up around this big announcement. But we did also see the price of Matic pushing beyond the 100-day exponential moving average and getting pretty gosh darn close to the 200-day exponential moving average, although we have not quite got there yet. But that would be, if we do get any further price rally, I think would be a logical area to really see things stalling out at, although we may be in that moment here currently, where we see, for example, this right around here, this dollar area has been a very sticky level for Polygon. We found a support here, and again, we found a resistance here back on the 10th of May, for example. So not surprising to see this 2 daily candles potentially stalling out here, although again, we could see a bit more push into the final hours of this news announcement excitement. But I feel like this is something we could be seeing where the rally is actually coming to a potential slowdown. There might be a little bit of juice left in it, but not a whole heck of a lot. The time to have got in would have been shortly after I posted that on Twitter the other day about us crossing over the EMA here. So that's around the 63 cent area. Now, of course, you can risk shorting Matic here, but it's a very bullish asset overall. We still could see a big pump potentially coming in just before this news announcement. But certainly, once that news announcement comes in, people might lose a bit of excitement around this entire rally. We are seeing the RSI here for Matic hitting well into the overbought range, well into the overbought range here. So generally, that's an area where you would look at and say, well, we could see the rally possibly stalling in this area because simply market's getting a bit overheated on this particular asset. And again, guys, I just want to remind you, I'm a big long-term bull here on Matic. I think Matic is doing incredible things for the crypto space, and their Ethereum layer 2 scaling solution, I'm sure, is going to be absolutely amazing. They've thrown an incredible amount of money at it, so I'm sure the developers have cooked up something spectacular for us. But that does not change the short-term picture that we could be seeing a sell the news potential event here. Now, this is the stochastic RSI. We see that also rolling over into a bearish crossover. You can see what happened the last couple times it happened. We had it happen here, bit of a price dip. We had it happen here, much bigger price dip. We had it happen here, much bigger price dip. Often when we see this happening, we do see those price dips. Again, that's lining up with the RSI itself, which got into the overbought territory. We also see the MACD moving well into the upper regions here. We have not had a bearish cross yet on the daily for the MACD, so that is definitely worth pointing out here. This indicator is not yet showing a bearish crossover. We do have a lot of indicators showing that definitely this rally for Matic could be slowing down a bit here. So, you know, if you're going to be chasing after this Matic pump, just keep in mind that, look, we could see the price coming back down to test some key areas here in the coming days. Are we going to come back down and test the 80-cent area where the 100-day exponential moving average is? Or perhaps more importantly, somewhere like here around the 74-cent area, which is an area that I had marked as the resistance going up, but could actually end up acting as support on the way back down. So if you're looking for longer-term spot buys, those support areas start to become relevant areas to potentially placing your bids in. Obviously, this area down in here between 57 and 64 cents was a major area of price support for quite a while. I could definitely see the price coming back down to those regions. And for anyone looking to short the market, you're playing with fire, betting against the Matic pump without a doubt, but I do think we could see that sell the news coming in here for this asset in the coming days. Of course, we'll watch and see how all of that plays out, obviously. Anyway, if you are a cryptocurrency trader, you got yourself an account over on Bybit. You can long and short, well, Matic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of the top coins on Bybit's very popular futures markets. They're also the 7th biggest spot exchange in the world, so huge amounts of different altcoins to be trading on spot markets. Play around with NFTs, all that fun stuff. Use the link down below in the description. You'll get a 30% discount on your fees, as well as up to $4,100 in deposit bonuses. Anyway, what do you think about Matic? Are we looking at a buy the rumor, sell the news event, or is this just going to keep pumping? This news is going to be so bullish, it's just going to shoot up to $3. Lark's wrong. We're not going to see any kind of sell-off after the news. Let me know your opinion down below in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.